Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I know. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got the WRX STI again in the video. We haven't really driven this car in so long, maybe about 3-4 months. Yeah, I believe yesterday I made a video on the SI, and it's been a treat. A very good car to drive. This car, on the other hand, this car is a different animal. Unlike its WRX younger brother, this car is a different breed, let me tell you. And trust me, I know stuff about breeding. No, I gotta cut that out. Anyways, people look at me like I have I look like a people think I look like a retard with the freaking camera on, because, you know, it's not normal. God, what the hell were those? Is that an M5? Yeah, it is. Imagine we get a rod knock. That'll be funny. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, hold on. Yeah, that's the way you drive this thing. There we go. This is gonna be a pretty short video just because I don't have a lot of battery left in my GoPro. So, oh, by the way, the camera I use is a GoPro Hero 12, I believe. I'm not sure. They're all the same. The 11, 12, 13s, they're all the same. You guys can hear that. It's so mechanical. Oh yeah. What the hell? Oh my god, that's loud. Jesus Christ. Forgot to mention, this car does not have auto rev match. Yeah. Oh my god. Wow, people look at me so awkwardly. I think there's a Camaro coming up. Speaking of STIs, they're very well known for their rod knock. Thank God I didn't get that yet. So, what the fuck is that car? Holy shit. That's hilarious. I think we might get smoked. Yeah. I don't think he wants it. No. I mean, he's following us. Oh, he has a German license plate. We will kill him at the launch. Yeah. Is there a car meet or something today? What's going on? Why is there's another fucking commuter car down there? Oh God, Jesus. What's up with all the clapped out Jettas? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's good weather out to drive today. Let me tell you. The fucking Jetta is behind me again. Oh yeah. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. About time we took it out of the garage. The engine is still working, that's great. I love the smell of brake pads. The Brembos. That's not clutch, by the way, don't worry. My God, the sun is beaming out today. Holy shit. I want him to do a pull. He's not gonna. Jesus Christ. Turn green, turn green, turn green. Forgot to mention. Oh yeah, I missed this car. Oh yeah. Oh, it's roads like that make car driving so fun. So after 29, well, it's gonna hit 30k miles on this car. It's been holding up really well. Really well. I'm actually surprised. So All right, you guys, this has been another short and sweet video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, this car is gonna be gone soon anyway, so peace.